The 5S of good housekeeping is important because it improves efficiency, reduces waste, enhances safety, and creates a more organized and pleasant environment. Say sort, eliminate unnecessary items, and keep only what's essential.
Seiton. Set in order. Organize items in a way that makes them easy to find and use. Pindot mo.
Pindot na!
Pindot mo ulit.
Clean the space regularly to maintain a tidy and hygienic environment.
Seiketsu. Standardize, create standards for maintaining organization and cleanliness consistently.
Shitsuke. Sustain. Develop the discipline to follow the rules and keep the space organized long term.